Down a dark loaning high up in a tree, she lurks in the shadows, the old banshee. There she waits for her victim to appear, and readies herself as they're drawing near. Then comes the shriek that torments your head, the warning that a loved one will soon drop dead. Wi' a deafening gowl and blood red een, an evil omen that you'll soon lose a friend. She has a wee cousin that leaves her the sea. Aye, in Scotland she's ca'd the Bonnee. The Bonnee they dinna guld her and they dinna greet, but here's what'll happen if e'er ye meet. An innocent wee washerwoman down in the barn, but if it's your claes she's washing, then the more is your turn. Make your peace, for you'll soon be dead, and on your corpse the worms will feed. Aye, your end it's coming soon, it'll no be long afore you're in the ground. Now back to your old banshee, some say she's no that bad, and fae her ye shouldn't flee. For if wi' a silver comb she's fixing her hair, ye should sit down aside her, if ye dare. 'Cause if you're game and if you're bold, she micht just tell ye about the fairy's gold. But I'm no so sure about the old tale. I'll just keep my distance while it arrange your wheel. So remember whens and days your tale, or ye micht be next to hear the banshee's gowl.